Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Swift programming. Codeium's AI-powered features can significantly enhance your Swift coding experience with the smart suggestions and completions. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Swift project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Swift code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. Now to accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your Swift file, speeding up your development process. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Swift programming, such as writing functions, classes, protocols, and more. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Swift best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a function definition, Codeium will suggest the complete function signature, including parameter types and return types, helping you write type-safe code faster. Codeium also helps with Swift-specific features like optionals, closures, and error handling. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for these features, making your code more efficient. To customize Codeium's behavior for Swift, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language-specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Swift code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Swift code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium's suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Swift programming. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Swift code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.